Hi guys, welcome back to Organizewitheb. Today I will be doing my official home tour. I hope you guys can stay along as I take you inside. So the first thing I want to do was give you guys a look at the front porch. So I purchased those 2 wicker chairs from Home Depot along with those 2 pillows, and then I also have a welcome mat as well. So let's go inside. So this right here is the dining room table, and we just purchased that through Facebook Marketplace. And then at the bottom I have our Amazon carpet. I am trying to sell that kitchen table because I really want the farmhouse style table with the brown top and the white legs at the bottom. So hopefully I'll come across one soon. So this right here is a DIY that I did. I'll put a picture on the screen as well so you can see the before, but it was actually brown and we purchased that from Walmart, and I just painted and distressed it. So at the top right here I just have some simple decor that I purchased from Target. It was just a candle from Target. That hello spring sign was like from the dollar section in Target, and then the little flower was just a Mother's Day gift from Eleni that we just keep up there. I also purchased those glass cups. So we don't have much cabinet space, so we use this shelf for some of our dishes. I'm very minimal with how many dishes we have because we don't cook that much, so I try to keep it very simple, so whenever we do cook it makes it a lot easier. So you'll see those cups I purchased from Ross, I believe, and then these plates and bowls I purchased on Black Friday. It was like $10. They were really nice. They're glass, and I purchased those from Walmart. I'm not sure if they're still selling that type, but Walmart has great selection of dishes if you want to check those out. Then at the bottom I just have a little bit of decor in the white container. I just keep Eleni's snacks in there along with a couple of pieces of decor that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. The style of house I'm trying to go with is a modern farmhouse, so let me know below what your style is. So I actually purchased this sign it was actually from Christmas Tree Shops. I'm not sure if that's worldwide, but that's definitely in North Carolina, and I purchased my yellow reef that you guys will see in a second as well. So as you see here, I do keep the countertops very clear so that way it's easy whenever I clean after we do cook. So I do have I'm guessing it's a silverware holder. I'm not sure exactly the name of that white thing on the stove. I actually purchased that from Ross. So I'm trying to add some white and gray into the kitchen, and those are the towels that I actually just purchased from Ross as well. I talked about that in the previous video. So that mail sign I purchased from Ross. I have some real flowers that I try to add to the kitchen every so often. I also want to let you know that this was a DIY of mine. That knife holder was actually black, and I just spray painted it white. So any small thing that you want to just do a DIY on, it definitely makes a huge difference when you're decorating. So this right here is I purchased this whole set from Grove Collaborative. So I just have my dish soap in there along with the sponge that you can purchase through them, along with the white glass holder. I would have to say with purchasing this house, the kitchen actually was the best part of the house, and I love how it's an open floor plan, so that's actually what sold me on the house. This is a 1,100 square foot house, so it's not a big one, but it's definitely a great starter home, and it definitely works for our small family. So the next room I'll be showing you guys is the living room. So that's the yellow reef I was telling you guys about. I'll insert a picture of how it looks from the front of the house. But this right here is just our small foyer area. So we actually a couple years ago just cut out the carpet and placed the tile down and then put that black mat, and I just purchased that mat from Walmart just to have a foyer area. I'm not sure why the builders didn't put one in, but we just made our own, and it works for us. This right here was another exciting DIY. So that clock was actually brown, and I'll insert a picture of the before as well. So I just spray painted the outside white just to go with the modern farm look that I'm trying to go with. And if you guys have previously been looking at my video, I actually have moved this table and made it like an entryway table. Before it was just like a decor table that I caddy cornered on the other side of the wall, but now we're just using it as an entry table. So I'll talk about the things that are on there. So we just have Eleni's picture. That's a picture that I actually need to update because that was a fall, this past fall, but it works. And then I just purchased this Home Sweet Home sign, and that was from Marshall's. And then I also have a sign that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and it just tells our Wi-Fi password. I thought that was pretty cool. So then on the bottom, I just have our shoes. We usually just put shoes that we wear like outside to go to the car or something like that. We don't really put our work shoes in there. So we just do like the shoes like we need to go mow the grass or something like that that we don't want to track in. So in this corner, I just keep our blankets along with the basket. I'm thinking about getting like the ladder shelf because it does look bare on this side, on this corner. So I might end up purchasing a ladder shelf, a blanket ladder shelf to place the blankets on. So we'll see if that'll be a DIY or if I'll just purchase it from Facebook Marketplace. Stay tuned for that. So this is a canvas we purchased from canvas.com. This was a very large one, and the price was only $60. They have great deals. So if you guys are wanting to just decorate your house without using a whole bunch of different type of picture frames and things like that, I would definitely recommend Canvas. It definitely does add like an elegant look to your house. I just put it on the wall right beside the TV. So like I said, it was canvas.com. They have smaller ones, they have larger ones. You could do black or white or color, so I would definitely check it out if you guys are interested in something like that. So here's our entertainment center. I just keep it very minimum on the top because I have the entryway table with all the other decor on there. So I just purchased that thankful sign from Hobby Lobby, and then the wood stump that you see, that was a gift from a wedding. And then also the flower, I just purchased that from Ross. And then we did mount the TV. I'm thinking about hiding the cords, but as of right now, it's fine with us. I know some people are very anal about the cords. They don't really bother me that much, but I definitely do like the mounting, the TV mounted on the wall. So right here, I just have different sayings on the wall, and I really love how these came together. I just purchased them from Hobby Lobby, and yes, all the sayings do mean something to us, and maybe that'll be another video explaining those. But I like how it comes together, and I tried to add like a 3D with the wreath. You can't really see the effect on camera, but it definitely does look good in person. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks on the other end. So my house is an open floor plan, so you can clearly see everything when you first walk in, as far as the living room and the kitchen, and then it just takes you down a hallway. This right here is the guest bathroom, so I keep it very simple in here. So I have the white towel along with the lotion dispenser that I just purchased from Ross. That was in the previous video, the shopping haul. And then we have the pink dispenser, and it's just clear, and that soap makes it look yellow, but it is pink in person. And then I have the pink towel, so we went with the plush pink and white theme in here. So I'm definitely loving the way this turned out. And then we have the white mat at the bottom as well. So the next room we are in is the guest bedroom. So the only decor that I have on the wall is that wreath that I purchased from Christmas Tree Shops, the same place that I purchased the yellow wreath from. And then this is a DIY in the making. I am currently going to be in the process of painting this bed white. That's why the nightstand is already white. I'll put the one of the previous videos, the DIY that I changed the nightstand I painted the nightstand from the brown like the bed into white, which is what it is now. I'll put that in the link below, so definitely check that video out if you haven't seen that, especially if you need any DIY tips as well. On the nightstand, the only thing we have for the guests is a lamp. I do have a candle, and then I also have a clock as well. So I also have my desk area in here that I work on YouTube along with school. So I just purchased that decor from Marshall's, and then I actually purchased that from Ross, that stand that I keep the computer on. I also have my planner along with my YouTube planner notebook, along with my billing notebook, all on the top of the desk, because those are pretty much the only 3 things that I use whenever I do use my desk, so I just keep them on top. And I forgot to mention that I did purchase my desk from Office Depot. So this is actually what's at the end of the hallway. So I purchased that distressed window from a place in Tennessee. It was just like a little antique shop, and I'm absolutely in love with it. I just placed some of Eleni's pictures in there, along with, and to be honest with you, I didn't even touch it, so I just left it distressed as is, and I didn't even paint it. But till this day, I purchased that a year ago, and I'm still absolutely in love with that frame. So the next room is the master bathroom. So I keep it very simple in here because it is small, so that way it'd be easy to manage. So that piece of decor on top I purchased from Home Goods, and then we do have a window in the bathroom. And this piece of furniture, I don't know if it was actually a towel rack or made for a towel rack, but we just placed our towels and bath cloths in there, and it works for us. And we just purchased that from Facebook Marketplace. This is the sink area, so we just have one small mirror with one sink, and I just keep a white towel up, and then I just have a candle on top along with the soap dispenser. On the bottom is, in the cabinets, is all of our toothbrushes, toothpaste, facial creams, lotions, things like that. So I try to keep the counters clear. Since it is only one sink, it's easy to manage and easy to use in the morning. So the last room is the master bedroom. So we keep it very simple in here once again. As you guys can tell, I'm a very simple person, but these are the pillows that I just added. Those are the pillows that I purchased from Ross. So I purchased the 2 peach pillows along with the white pillow at the beach, and I absolutely love it. It definitely goes with the "This Is Us" sign that we have above the bed. This right here is a nightstand, and I keep it very minimal. So I just have my wireless charger along with some decor that I purchased from Target. This was actually a DIY, and I'll put the picture on the screen. So it was actually a brown dresser, and I just turned it into white. So now it's sort of like the TV stand in the bedroom. I just keep a little bit of decor on top, along with all the different like Wi-Fi and cable, and we also have Alexa on top as well. So my goal is to clean that up a little bit with all the cords and things like that, but as of right now, it's fine with us. So the last room is Eleni's room. So she does have a lot going on in here because I have the decor from when she was born, along with things that I've added along the way. Not sure if I want to just keep it this way. Loving it right now, and I might change it up in the future. But so I just have her baby pictures up, and I definitely want to do a DIY of spraying those white. And I just purchased this toy organizer that I absolutely love, and I just put some simple decor on top. And then she has this distressed mirror that's on the floor. I just put a couple of pieces of decor on top of these shelves, and I just purchased all those different types of decor from Target in the dollar spot, honestly. And then we do have her TV mounted on the wall, and then we do have her dresser out, because all the other bedrooms I have the dressers in the closet. But this right here is a DIY that I'm going to be doing soon. This dresser, the dresser color is perfect. I'm just going to paint that chair white. That was actually a chair that was passed down from my grandmother, so I'll paint that white soon, and I'll do a video on that, of course. And then I also have that chest that we're going to be painting white. I did finally go with the color white, so I'll definitely do a DIY on that soon as well. Thank you guys for watching my official home tour. I post videos on every Wednesday and Sunday. I hope you guys can stay tuned for the next one. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I also have placed some previous videos down below if you guys want to check those out. Have a great day. Bye.